So here I am. I'm taking my little sweet Gus for a little ride.
Oh, Darla.
Hey girl, who's that? Who's that?
Oh, hi, baby. How you doing, baby?
Is that Dad?
I see you. Oh. Yes, my sweet baby girl.
What is it? Oh my goodness, what is it? What do you see?
That's your Christmas gift.
Good job. What's in there? Take the wrapping off of it for her.
She natural.
There's my baby.
She just flooded the floor.
Calypso, what are you doing, honey?
Привет, Пуся. Хорошего мальчика.